Friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we disable eye comfort mode setting, and guys you can see your phone screen color is different. So how can you off this setting in your Oppo phone? In this video I will show you guys. So before starting video then first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like my video. So when first of all guys you will have to on your phone setting to disable your eye comfort mode, then guys scroll it. Display and brightness setting, fans tap here. Fans you can see guys your eye comfort mode setting, fans tap here. Fans you want to disable guys, you can disable always on right side this icon guys, you can see. So you will have to tap, then guys you can see screen color will normal, and guys you can see eye comfort mode will disable in our Oppo phone. Then guys we cannot use guys eye comfort mode setting. So like that guys, you want to disable your eye comfort mode, you can disable in your Oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching guys. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends.